2019 Ford Edge. Yesterday the engine was sputtering really bad and died a couple of times before I got it home. I have white exhaust, and my coolant level was practically empty. It was checked in June, and it was about half full. And the exhaust smells like it's burning something sweet. That's what it smells like. So could I drive it to the dealership if the dealership's just a few miles away, or is this something I should have the car towed?
Right, I gotcha. Good question. So you probably could drive it. However, some people would say that based on the condition, it would be best to have it towed to the dealership. And it certainly sounds like it's burning coolant, which could be blown head gasket or cracked cylinder head. Either which way, no matter what it is, there's coolant that's going into the combustion chamber and is being pushed out the exhaust. So if you drive it like this, what happens is coolant will go in the exhaust system through the catalytic converter and through the rest of the system. So although that's not the end of the world, you don't want to damage the converter because the converter is expensive. So here's the thing. A lot of people they don't know they have a blown head gasket. So what happens is they just continue driving for months on a blown head gasket. And I haven't really necessarily seen a car break down unless it overheats, break down due to a blown head gasket unless it overheats. And the converter, I haven't really seen converters failing strictly because of coolant going through the exhaust, which is that would be kind of odd. But I'm not a chemist and I'm not an engineer. So to prevent that from happening, it would probably be best just to get it towed. Now, could you make it on a couple miles because you've probably been driving like this for a while, right?
I suspect I have been.
So it's up to you. Here's the thing. It probably would be fine, but if you're scared that you are going to damage more than you already have, then you could just get it towed. It's up to you. It's completely up to you.
All right. I guess that's pretty much what I wanted to know, because now that I've been doing a lot of research on it, and I think I figured, I'm not a mechanic, of course, but I think I've pretty much diagnosed it.
How long has this been going on?
Well, if I think about it, back in March, April, I was having problems with it heating. The heat wouldn't come on.
Yep.
And I was thinking it was probably just a blocked heater coil at that point. But that was kind of intermittent. And then it's only been the last 2 days where I've had any questions about the engine doing anything funny.
Mm-hmm.
And then yesterday when it sputtered and died.
Okay. And so now it doesn't start?
It starts.
But it just died on the other day.
It'll still start, and I can keep it running. It'll continue to run as long as the accelerator's working, as long as it's accelerating. But if I'm in a parking lot, parked or at a stop sign, then it'll start sputtering.
Okay. Usually it's probably misfiring due to coolant in the combustion chamber. That would be my guess. If it's stalling or dying to the point where it's questionable if it's going to restart, then at that point you're going to want to get it towed.
Oh, all right. Well, thank you very much. You've been very helpful.
All right, you bet. You're welcome. Good luck, and let us know if anything comes up.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.